Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hey, I'm Paul with Texas Family Roofing. You're watching this video because you want to know how are you going to get your roofing material up on your roof. Now, we've all seen it. We've seen the guy with the 3 bundles going up the ladder, and it's super sketchy and dangerous. And we've actually seen all the videos of him falling down and all kinds of craziness. But you may have a house that's maybe in a remote area, or you have a steep driveway, or maybe it's in an area that maybe there's a supplier can't get to, and you're gonna have to go and get the materials yourself and load them up. Now, the hardest way is gonna be, load them up on your shoulder, have a couple guys all day long moving shingles. I'm gonna show you what we use. It's actually called the ladder hoist or ladder Vader. Let's go take a look at it and I'll give you some details on it. Alrighty, here's the house that we're actually working on. This driveway was too steep for ABC, which is the supplier, to get up there and roof load. Let's go take a look and see what we're doing. Here it is. So on this property, we brought all the materials and we have our ladder Vader. What this does is it's basically going to, it acts as an elevator for our materials. So let's just see how it's done. Maybe a little loud. He's loading up 3 bundles, put it on this ladder Vader, taking it all the way to the top. These guys have that ladder Vader anchored. The plate's gonna drop, then they have access to unload those bundles. Once they've unloaded them, come back down, load it up again. The brand that we're using is the Transporter by Tie Down Engineering. Got the website there. This is the motor that runs it. This is actually a great motor. It's a Honda GX 120. This thing's fairly brand new. Haven't really had any problems at all, other than we're having to fill it up with some fuel. Anyway, these guys will have this roof loaded in no time. It's a great way to load the roof without, being too sketchy and dangerous and putting my guys at risk, having to load them up by hand on a ladder. There you have it. We'll load up this roof probably in a quarter time that it takes for a couple of guys, maybe double the amount of guys shouldering this stuff up all the way up to the top. And this is a lot safer as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna give you guys a whole bunch of content this year. See you soon.